Chemistry of water. Water, as we know it, is the most abundant compound on the Earth's surface. Water exists as liquid, solid, or gas. Many substances dissolve in water and it is known as the universal solvent. On this topic, we are going to focus on properties of water: heat capacity, heat or vaporization, cohesion and adhesion of water, the capillarity of water, and surface tension.
The first property of water we're going to focus on will be heat capacity. Water is able to absorb heat or infrared radiation without increasing much in temperature. This is because for water to increase in temperature, water molecules must be moved faster within the water molecules or within each other. This requires breaking the hydrogen bonds. Water has a high heat capacity. This means that even though heat is entering a body of water, the energy will not be reflected in the measured temperature of the water until more heat has been added. This explains why it takes water so long to boil. The next property of water we're going to is heat of vaporization. Heat of vaporization is the amount of heat energy required to change given substances to a gaseous phase. For water, the heat of vaporization is 40 kilojoules per mole. For water to change its phase from a liquid phase to a gaseous phase, it requires more heat of vaporization as compared to other substances that exist as liquids. H2O's high heat of vaporization plays a huge role in the climate since oceans take too long or a long time to warm up.
The third property that we are going to talk about is cohesion and adhesion of water. Cohesion, water is attracted to water. Adhesion, water is attracted to other substances. Adhesion and cohesion are water properties that affect every water molecule on Earth, and also the interaction of water molecules with molecules of other substances. Essentially, cohesion and adhesion are the stickiness that water molecules have on each other and on the substance that they're in. An example of adhesion and cohesion are shown when water is poured on glass. This is shown because when you pour out water droplets will be left on the glass. The contrast of this is when you pour mercury inside the glass. Mercury droplets ain't left on the glass. This means it's cohesive. The fourth property is the capillarity of water. The capillarity of water is affected by adhesion and cohesion of water. Because water is adhesive, it is mainly attracted to the substance it occupies. Capillarity is the ability of liquid to flow in narrow spaces without assistance. It occurs because intermolecular forces between the liquid and the surrounding solid surface. Some of the perfumes use this property. Plants absorb water from the ground and it moves up the xylem process because of capillarity. The fifth property is the surface tension. Surface tension is a contractive tendency of the surface of a liquid that allows it to resist an external force. H is caused by the cohesion forces between water particles. Surface tension can be well observed when an insect less denser than water is able to float or run along the water surface. Because of the relative high attraction of water molecules for each other, water has a high surface tension compared to that of most liquids. Surface tension is an important factor in the phenomenon of capillarity.
This was done by Sithaguro Tondwa, Mano Madzinga, and Chivase Mopatuchedzo.